Hello everyone, if your battery is draining for no reason after the iOS 18.4 update, this video is for you. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone battery drain. Pedro with you and let's begin. So first of all, you need to open settings on your device. And first things first, you need to go to the battery just right here with a little battery icon. Click on it. Now here we will have these type of options, this type of settings about our battery. Now we need to go and click on battery health and charging, scroll down and turn on optimized battery charging. So basically this is the main option to save your battery health. Now go back and turn on low power mode. As well, go to the battery and here the second option is low power mode. Now go back and scroll down a little bit as well. Here you will need to go to the privacy and security with a little hand icon. Go for it, and here we need first two options: location services and tracking. First of all, go to location services and turn off location services because these apps using your iPhone in the background and they can drain your battery. So simply turn off, confirm the action by turning off completely, go back, go to the tracking and turn off tracking as well. Allow apps to continue tracking, ask apps to stop tracking, the second option. Now go back. And here you also need to go to accessibility just right here. Now go to the motion, the fourth option here, and turn on reduce motion option. It basically reduces the animation of the applications. All the animations on your device will be reduced and it will save up your battery. Now go back again and go to the display and brightness just right here and enable true tone, this option, and basically it will allow you to automatically adapt iPhone display based on ambient, and it basically means that it won't be in the highest brightness when it is basically bright outside or in the other side. Basically that is it. That is how we can fix your iPhone battery drain after the iOS 18.4 update. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.